Hi, you are welcome to my channel. This wonderful channel provides you with stunning, elegant, creative and educative ideas based on computer techniques. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, consider to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss new uploads. So let's start our tutorials for today. Hi viewers, you are welcome to today's tutorials. In these tutorials, we are going to talk about the recycle bin, which is an icon on our computer desktop. The recycle bin is an icon on a computer desktop, which is also known as the trash can, and its purpose or its function on a desktop is to keep deleted files and folders or deleted items on our computer screen. This icon is very useful and important. Anytime you delete an item, that particular item do not get rid of permanently, but rather it is being kept in the recycle bin. And if you want to restore or you need that vital information back, you can go back to your recycle bin and restore. So the recycle bin is very important on our computer desktop, and in this video we are going to learn how it works on our desktop. So now on my desktop you can see I have this recycle bin and now it is empty. If I double click and open this recycle bin, you can see that the information displayed or viewed is the folder is empty. There is nothing in this recycle bin. Therefore, I have no deleted file in the recycle bin. Now, if I delete this particular item, that is, if I deliberately delete or unintentionally I delete any of this item which are very vital or important to me, by selecting, right clicking and choosing delete. Now what you see is the recycle bin has some items. So if I place my mouse pointer on the recycle bin, it says contains files and folders that you have deleted. Therefore, if I double click this recycle bin, I'm going to see these files or these items that I just deleted from my computer desktop, and now these items are located in the recycle bin window. So if you delete any item on your desktop, if I select, right click and choose delete, this item is going to be found in the recycle bin. Now this is the recycle bin. This recycle bin have tabs. That's the file, the home, the share, the view and the recycle bin tools. If you click on the file, you have different options here to open new window. You can also seek help whenever you want to have more information about this recycle bin. You can come to this section and click on help, and this will direct you to the internet so that you can seek help about the recycle bin. When you click on the home tab, we have different options here where you can select, or you can see that these items are fade out. These items are fade out, but when you select an item, you get this item fading in so that you can move. You can choose to move these items. You can choose to delete from this section. You can also click on the select all to select all the items, and anytime you choose any of these commands under the home tab, it redirects you to the recycle bin tools to ask you if you want to empty the recycle bin or to restore the selected items. So these tabs also have commands that are found in the recycle bin window, which you can use to perform a task as you want to have in your recycle bin. Now when you go to share, you can also select and go to share. You can share through email. These items that are in the recycle bin, you can share them through email, or you can zip it. You can also bend to disk. You can also go for advanced security depending on how you want to work within this window. When you click on the view tab, we have so many options how you want to view your recycle bin. Now I have it in the large icons view. If you want to go for the list view, you can click on it, content, extra large, small icons, tiles. This is how the start menu is customized. That's tiles. You can also go for medium icons. You can also go for details depending on how you want to view your items in the recycle bin. So when you click on the view tab, that is where you're going to have these options. And when you click on the recycle bin tools, that is where you are going to have the main task, that is to empty this recycle bin, or to have the properties of the recycle bin, also to restore all items, or to restore selected items. So these are the tabs, the recycle bin window, which you can operate depending on your the task performance you have within this particular window. So this is the recycle bin. And how do we restore or permanently delete items? Now, if these important files here that I have deleted, I want them back on my desktop, what I'll do is to select the item. And when you select the item in the recycle bin window, you are going to have these four options. Just one, to empty. The second one is to check the properties of the recycle bin, and the next one is to restore all the items, and the last one is to restore the selected item. So assuming this item that I have selected I want to restore, I just have a once click on this, and this is going to restore the item to my desktop. So when I go back to my desktop, I have this item here. Now if I want to restore all of them without selecting them one by one, I just have a once click on this. It says, are you sure you want to restore all the items from the recycle bin? That is the question that is being asked. And yes, we want to restore all these items. So I have a once click on restore. When I go back to my desktop, I'm going to have all these items on my computer desktop. So that is the function or the functionalities of the recycle bin. Anytime you delete an item, you have it located in the recycle bin, and if you want to restore, you just come and restore. Now let's try and delete. Let's create a folder and delete this folder. Select this folder, you right click and choose delete, or you can also use the keyboard key, delete key on the keyboard, to delete this item. Now let's open the recycle bin. Now we have this item in the recycle bin. If I don't need this item anymore on my desktop, I can delete this. And how do we do it? You select the item, and when you go to these options, we have this empty recycle bin, and the option that comes out, or the dialog box that comes out, says, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? And yes, I want to do so. So you click on yes, and this folder is permanently deleted from the computer desktop. So this is how the recycle bin works. And also we have so many ways of deleting and restoring items in the recycle bin. Let's create another folder and delete. Now I have this folder in the recycle bin. If you don't want to use the buttons in the window, you can select this, right click, and when you right click, you have these options. The first option is to restore, cut, delete, and also to check the properties of the folder. So if I want to restore this, I just click on restore, and I'm going to have it on my desktop. Let's delete it again. Now if I want to permanently delete it, I can right click and choose delete, and we are going to have the same option here. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? And the question that is being asked, I am going to answer yes. So I'm going to have a once click on yes, and this is going to be deleted from the computer desktop. And this is how the recycle bin works. It keeps deleted files, and you can restore those files back, or you can permanently delete it from your computer system. So this is how the recycle bin works on our computer desktop.